Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, which you never do, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So, on the Solana daily chart, we can see, of course, an A, B, C, where we want to finish, of course, a wave C with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 5, of course, wants to finish in Impulsive Wave, of course, after hitting our wave 4. Now, of course, here we can see that we have finished an impulse and we have finished a 3 wave, so definitely we want to see those 5 waves towards the upside. Therefore, it is kind of like 90% sure that Solana is gonna be bullish, to end up this structure wherever it is, right? It is a regular flat or expanding flat or a zigzag. It should finish with 5 waves towards the upside, especially that we have an impulse here and 3 corrective waves. So by all means, now what we are looking for after this wave here, which has bottomed exactly on the 0.5 as an ABC structure, which is a perfect for a wave 4, by the way. And then, of course, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Inside this wave here, we want to see, of course, what happened exactly here and why we have reversed towards the upside. So, before moving to this, I would like just to mention the bearish scenario. In this case of a bearish scenario, your wave 4 did not finish yet, and you are still looking for a zigzag towards the downside to finish, of course, a zigzag, zigzag, and third zigzag here as WXY. In that case scenario, you are looking, of course, for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, continuation towards the downside, of course, to hit your fib levels here at 111. So, if we move inside this 1 hour chart and we look at our bullish scenario, we can see that in your 1 hour chart, you have a 1, 2, where we have a bottom for a wave 2 ABC at the 0.78. Another 1, 2 here, of course, after having an impulse. Your wave 2 is an ABC towards the downside. So if you remember, this scenario was already before and we gave up on it after, of course, seeing this impulse towards the downside. However, it appears that this one is corrective and this one is also corrective based on what we saw yesterday. I'm gonna explain. So after having this massive impulse, we are looking here for A, B, and a C. And then we are looking for a diagonal as it was planned before. It was right. So now, because of this wave has become a corrective wave as A, B, and a C, where we saw an impulse, a correction, and another ending diagonal here, that it has finished an A, B, and a C corrective waves, hitting the 0.78 and moving towards the upside, also invalidating, of course, this impulse in case it is an impulse 1, 2, and a 3. Your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1, which is not allowed, so we cannot call it impulse anymore. Therefore, it has transformed into a ABC corrective waves, and here we go. We are looking for higher prices, of course, for Solana, and preferably that we move higher and higher impulsively today, in case, of course, we want to see a nice impulse. Now, don't forget there is some news today at in a few minutes at 14:13. So yeah, watch out for some volatility. It might also help our impulse to move on towards the upside. So yeah, this is it for Solana. Your targets, of course, if the first target is your first 1, 2 here in orange label, where you want to hit the wave 3 at $170. And after this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, you have finished your wave 3 here for this 1, 2, 3, of course. And then you will still have one wave, of course, for your wave 4, 5, and you still have 1, 2 here in the yellow where you want to reach, of course, your wave 5 towards the upside. So basically, step by step, we're gonna have these 4-5. First thing that what we have to do is to reach the first target of our orange here, and then after this, after reaching the 170, of course, we're gonna start to look for higher here. I think this one was given from here. Let's see if that was, so that should be here. So your second target is gonna be actually, at 200, okay? Your second target is gonna be almost at 200, hitting the $200, very nice, for the white scenario here, right? For the white scenario. So the first scenario where we have, or the first impulse with orange is gonna hit the 170, then moving to 200, and of course we're gonna reach higher as well with this one. So let's see how it's gonna unfold, guys. Potentially that we reach, of course, over 200 or 300 for Solana very soon in the next months. So as promised, this week we're gonna see something. We're gonna get a decision up or down, and we are 80% now up with this price action that it happened. Now, of course, I hope that the news, it doesn't disturb it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.